Finding a moment of stillness is a gift to yourself. Congratulate yourself. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down for this practice. Whether you are in a chair or resting on the floor, the most important thing is that you are in a quiet space and you are comfortable. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice the sensation of the skin on your scalp. Move your attention down to your forehead, softening any tension you find there. Now focus on your face. Observe the feeling of the air against your skin. Is it cool? Is it warm? Simply notice any tightness in your jaw, so around your eyes, without trying to change it. Now, move your focus to your neck and now to your shoulders. Notice if you are holding any weight there, and just allow those areas to exist as they are. If a thought pulls you away, don't fight it. Acknowledge the thought. Let it drift by like a cloud, and gently guide your attention back to the sensations in your body. Shift your focus down to your right arm. Feel the length of the arm, moving your attention to the elbow, the wrist, and now the palm of your hand. Notice the sensations in each finger. Now, transition to your left arm. Move from the shoulder down to the elbow, through the wrist, and into the left hand. Feel the subtle energy or temperature in your fingertips. There is nothing you need to do, just observe. Bring your attention to your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall, the natural expansion and contraction of each breath. Follow that breath down into your stomach. Notice the rhythmic movement as air enters and leaves your body. Stay with this sensation for a moment. Now shift your awareness to your back. Notice the contact of your waist against the chair or floor. Observe any pressure, discomfort, or ease without judgment. Now focus your attention on your right leg. Move slowly from the thigh to the knee, down through the calf, and into the heel. Feel the weight of your right foot. Next, bring your awareness to your left leg. Move from the hip to the thigh, down to the knee, the calf, and finally the left heel. Note any sensations in your feet, perhaps a feeling of cold, warmth, or the texture of your socks or the floor. Now, expand your awareness to include your entire body at once. Notice the overall sensation of being here. Does your body feel heavy and grounded or light and airy? Take one last deep, centering breath. When you are ready, slowly and gently open your eyes.